How to use Gemini AI in Google Meet. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use AI feature in Google Meet. You need an eligible Google Workspace plan or a Google One AI Premium subscription. With the correct subscriptions, you can access features such as AI note taking and summarize, real-time translated captions, and enhanced video and audio effect as well. So, a Workspace or a Google Workspace business entrepreneur plan, a Gemini business or enterprises adds on to a Google One AI premium plan are required, and a Google Workspace administrator must enable these features in the admin console for your organization to specify the group as well. And the user must be 18 years or older, and the features are generally available on desktop, Android, and iOS device. And some devices may have a device specific limitations as well, so you need to understand that as well. Similarly, to use the feature, you could take note with AI during the meeting, or maybe take note with Gemini or start taking a note. Or you would also ask AI for a catch up as well, or enhance video and audio quality as well. So this is how you should be able to use Gemini AI in Google Meet. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.